Okay, fellow teardrop enthusiasts, what we're doing today is we're going to take these pieces that we cut off when we routed for the ceiling ledge here all the way back to the spar for mounting the galley lid, and we're going to cut these back in what I'd call gussets and place them in here as support for the roof when we put the roof on. Plus it also adds structure to the main part of the ceiling frame. So we'll come down here and get a mark. And then I'll cut these pieces, and when I get those cut, I'll bring you back. I'm sure you don't want to watch me cut all these pieces. I'll be back in a few minutes. Well, okay, I said I'd bring you back in 45 minutes. It was actually yesterday, about 3 hours of work time, and getting these to fit was quite a project. After I came up with the idea of laying on the outer edge to get the correct taper, things went a lot smoother. So I've done the lower portion here on each side. I'll take you through my process in putting one of these in. I drill twice for mounting holes. Check it. And I apply liberal amounts of Tight Bond 3. All my battery operated tools have given up, so a couple of screws. Now I will be going back over all these edges and some of the struts here that are a little proud with the power planer and sander, get everything evened out. So I'll continue with this project and bring you back when we're ready to do a little planing and sanding. Okay, the two tools for today are the Harbor Freight planer. We got one little screw nick there, but it shouldn't bother us today. And the Harbor Freight belt sander. And what we're trying to accomplish is we're going to smooth up this side along this line and even out the contour to match the other side, which we've already sanded, planed and sanded here, so we get a nice smooth finish. And I'll fill in any small holes that might be left over from pockets or whatever. We'll start working down. We're starting off with about a 1/16 to a 32nd. Okay, that should be everything we need. Well, maybe a little more up here. Now we'll sand that all out. Mask on here so we don't get that sawdust on us, in us. Okay. Yeah, we'll bring you back when we get this all sanded.